Hi, my name is Haziq. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is an interest that calculated on the principal and the accumulated interest over the previous period, which is applied in valuation of loans, saving, insurance and investment. It can be thought as interest on interest because the principal changes or increase from time to time. It is compounded in variety of frequencies, which is annually, semi-annually, quarterly and monthly. And this is a sneak peek for the formula. This is the initials that you need to know before answering question, which is S equals to maturity value, P is principal value, I is periodic interest rate, capital I is amount of interest, K is nominal interest rate, M is for frequency, N is number of interest period, and T is time in term of year. And the full formula for compound interest is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I the power of N. So for case study 1, they want us to determine the total interest earned on each scheme, which is alpha and gamma, if she wants to invest for 8 years. So for alpha scheme, we need to list all the main points that we got from the question and substitute it to the formula, which is 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.052 over 3 the power of 24. With the answer is 75,524 and 63 cents. To find the interest for alpha scheme, we need to minus it by 50,000. Using the formula I equals to S negative P, and the interest earned for alpha scheme is RM 25,524 and 630 cents. Same goes to gamma scheme. Using all the main points that we substitute to the formula, which is 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.053 over 2 the power of 16, and the answer is RM 75,982 and 44 cents. To find the interest for gamma scheme, we need to minus it by 50,000. And the interest earned for gamma scheme is RM 25,982 and 44 cents.
Hi, my name is Amirul. So the question asks for us to advise Millie which scheme she should choose based by answer in A. So our point of view is Millie should choose gamma scheme because the interest received is higher than alpha scheme, which is the difference of total interest earned by RM 457.81 cents. After 6 years, interest rate changed from 5.3% compound semi-annually to 6% compound quarterly. Find the amount of the investment at the end of 8 years and total interest earned. So we use formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power bracket power of N. And P is 50,000 ringgit, I is 0.0265 and N is 12. So we get 68,434.87 cents. And we make it as a new principal. So after 6 years, the interest rate changed to 0.015 and our N also changed to 8. We use same formula but as substitute to new principal. So new principal bracket 1 plus 0.015 bracket power of 8, and we get 77,091.37 ringgit Malaysian. So how to calculate total interest earned? So total interest earned is 77,091.37 ringgit minus 50,000, and we get 2791 ringgit 37 cents. So that's all for case study 1.
Hi, back to me. So what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. Example of annuity, which is shop rental, insurance policy, annual dividends, receive or installment payments. And this is some of the formula for annuity. In annuity, we must know 6 methodology, which is S equal to future value, A is for present value, capital I is for amount of interest, I is periodic interest rate, N is for number of payments, and capital R is for amount of periodic payments. And for future value, the full formula is capital S equal to capital R multiplied by bracket 1 plus I the power of N negative 1 over I. To find the interest in future value, it is equal to capital S negative N multiplied by R. And for present value, the full formula is capital A equals to capital R multiplied by 1 negative bracket 1 plus I the power of negative N over I. To find the interest in present value, it is equal to N multiplied by R negative A.
So for the study case 2, we're going to know how much money can Alisha withdraw from their account every 6 months while she is in college. So first, we're going to find investment of 18 years. So P equal to 8,000, K equal to 0.05, M equal to 2, 1 equal to 0.0275, and n equal to 36. So we're going to use simple interest formula, which is S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of n. So we summarize that S equal to 8,000, open bracket, 1 plus 0.075, close bracket, power of 36. We're gonna get RM 21243.98. Consider as RM 21243.98 as an A in formula A equal to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, negative power of negative n over I, close bracket. So we're going to find the R. R is RM 21243.98 equal to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.0275, close bracket, negative power of negative 8 over 0.0275, close bracket. So we're going to get that R is RM 2994.51. So in conclusion, every 6 months, Alicia can withdraw RM 2994.51.
For the case study 2B, after Alicia graduated from the college and start the job, she plans to buy a condominium that costs 480,000 ringgit. Then she made the 15% down payment and financed the balance through a bank for 30 years with the interest rate of 3.8% compounded monthly. For the question 1, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge that Alicia made to settle down the loan. For the first thing, we need how much the loan. So 15% down payment of 480,000 ringgit, we get 72,000 ringgit. 480,000 ringgit minus 72,000 ringgit, we got 408,000 ringgit. So the A is 408,000 ringgit, I is 0.038 over 12, and N equal 360,000 ringgit. So we use formula A equal R, multiply 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, power of negative N over I. So to find monthly payment R, 480,000 ringgit equal R, multiply 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 over 12, power of negative 360 over 0.038 over 12, we get 1,901.11 cents. After that, to find the interest charge, we use formula I equal NR minus A. 360 times 1,901.11 equal 408,000 ringgit. We got RM 276,000 ringgit, 399.6 cents. So the interest charge that Alicia made to settle down the loan is 276,000 ringgit, 399.6 cents. Question 2. If she missed her first 7 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 7th payment to settle all the outstanding area? So we use formula SN equal R, brackets, 1 plus I, brackets, power of N minus 1 over I, brackets. So to find S7 equal 1901.11, brackets, 1 plus 0.038 over 12, brackets, power of 7 minus 1, over 0.038 over 12, brackets, we get RM 13434.86. Question 3. Immediately after paying for 10 years, Alicia wants to settle down the loan in full. How much is the amount that she needs to be paid and how much interest is paid? So, after paying for 10 years, which is 120 months, N equal 360 minus 120, we get new N, which is 240. To find AN, which is N equal 240, we use formula AN equal R, brackets 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, brackets, power of negative N over I, brackets. So, A 240 equal 1901.11, brackets 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.038 over 12, brackets, power of negative 240 over 0.038 over 12, bracket, we get RM 319,249.4 ringgit. To find the interest charge, 240 times 1,091.11 minus 319,249.40, we get RM 137,017. So the interest charge is 137,017.